How to fix Minecraft connection timeout Getsockopt error. For this first step, search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it, select Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall, click Change Settings, scroll down and search for Minecraft Launcher and Java. Make sure you should enable in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application is of not having means you need to click Allow another app in the bottom side, click Browse and you can add it. Go to C drive, Program Files, Java, bin. You can get the application, click it and add it. I already have, so I skip it. You need to click add in the bottom side. Once adding, after you need to enable both private and public and click OK in the bottom side and come to next step. Search for control panel, click it, click program, click Java. Using these settings you can update the Java. Click update now and update it. If the setting is not having means you need to go to the official website of Java, download and install the latest version and come to next step. Search for command prompt, click run as administrative and type the following text: ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click enter. The next command ipconfig space /release. Click enter. And the next command ipconfig space /renew. Click enter. And the next command netsh space winsock space reset. Click enter. And the next command netsh space int space ip space reset. Click enter. And the last and final command exit it. After completing, come to next step, click settings, click app settings, click install app, scroll down and search for Minecraft launcher, click the three dot icon in the right hand side, click advanced option, scroll down and search for reset. Under reset you have seen repair and reset, click it. Once repair complete, after click reset. Close it and come to next step, click settings, click network and internet settings, click advanced network settings, click network reset and reset the network.